Welcome to my YouTube channel with another interesting video. And today I am going to tell you 3 to 4 story settings of Instagram which every Instagram user must know. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. First, you have to open Story area in your phone. Now tap on Activity option below. Now tap on Settings at the top. Here are some very useful settings which you must know about if you are using Instagram and post stories on daily basis or weekly. The first setting is about how to hide story. You can hide story from anyone from this first setting. Simple, you have to add that person in this list, and story will be hidden from them. Now, the second setting is close friends. Here you can add close friends and then share a story which will be only accessible to these friends, which are added in close list. Third option is who can reply to your stories, your followers. Followers that you follow back, or no one can reply, so you can adjust this according to yourself. The last and one of my favorite is saving story to gallery of phone. You can save any story you post to your mobile phone very easily by turning this option. If you scroll down, there are some other options also available. You can use them as well. But these 4 are one of the best settings for story of Instagram. So that's it for the video so far. I hope you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and I will catch you back soon.